Hello there, welcome to the DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to install the SATT iTV on your Hisense Smart TV. This is very easy. Like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So your Hisense Smart TV, you have to start by locating your app store. Here's mine over here, and since we're looking for this application called SATT iTV, you go over to your app store and you can browse through, but the simplest or fastest method is to go over here and click and type the name application, which is SATT. So I'm going to type in the application name, which is SATT, and I'll go ahead and just search. So as I search, this is what I get: SATT iTV, and I launch it, or I click OK. It's going to bring me to the installation page, which looks like this, and I'm going to click install, and the application is going to install straight away. I'll just browse through here to find where to place it, and I place it over here. And you can go ahead and just launch it, and the application is going to launch and you can start exploring it. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.